Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and so I'm gonna be doing a Royal High blindfolded outfit look. I don't have any self-confidence in this. Okay, so yeah, I got my beanie that I'll cover my eyes with, and let's start. But first, what should I name? Name anything? Leave it down in the comments. I'll name it later, but so let's do the hair first. Okay, ready? Go. Okay. Hope this looks good. Okay. I'm gonna look just to get this thing ready. Okay. Okay. Okay, lips. Okay. Let's do the lip colors now. I don't know what I'm doing. Did I choose one? Yeah! Okay. Let's do eyes. Okay, that's actually really cute. I actually like that, kind of. Okay. Just making sure it's okay. Okay, pink eyes. And gold lips. Okay. I like doing this really late. I'm just gonna put it back down because it's really weird. Okay. Now let's do custom marks. Okay. Okay, you can not even see it, so it's remove makeup. Okay. I'm just gonna do that again. Oh, okay. That's not bad. Okay. Well, let's now go with the outfit. Okay. Next, we'll do our heels. Okay. Did I? Okay. Okay, can't see, so let's just choose a random color. I hate these heels. Why did I choose? Okay. I chose this color. So, this is what the look looks like right now. Very ugly. Let's try putting a skirt on. Okay. We're just raised our head down. Okay. Okay, what did I choose? Wait, no. Oh, this barely covers up. Okay. Accessories. Okay. Let's choose 3 accessories. Got it. Okay. Did I even have my... Oh, I get to choose a color. Okay, that's... Okay. 1 down. Choose the color, I think. Okay, yeah. Sucks! I will murder myself. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh god. Oh! Okay. What do we need now? Those are 3. What did I forget? Oh yeah. You have to do her body color. I have to do her body color, okay. Okay. Oh, I don't think I even clicked. It was gonna land on this, so I choose this then. Now, animations, okay. Pop star. Let's see how this looks. Okay. Let's not do one of these. Fine. I'm just making sure it's in the right area. Okay. Oh god. Space Trooper. Okay. Oh god. Let's just name it now. I know that's not a word. Yep, word. I just want to see if it works because I want to name myself something ridiculous. Okay. My name will be Star. Star. Oh god. This is me. Well, I hope you like that video. This is me. Let's go see how I look to people. Oh god. Okay, yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. See you next time.